Hello people, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos, and if you like what you see, give them a thumbs up. But more than anything, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. So today I'm going to be talking about, hey,
Hello.
I'm doing a vlog.
I know you're doing a vlog. I thought I'd join you.
But this is my ENT Sebas channel.
Yes, I know, but I always see behind the scenes. I want to see the rawness.
Yeah, but you know, on this channel I just talk about Jamaican stuff, mostly Jamaican stuff.
Am I not Jamaican?
Yeah, you're Jamaican, but at the same time...
Yeah, anyway, hello people.
She's just gonna bombard my channel today.
Yeah, because you know what? For those of you who don't know, we have a family channel.
Yeah, but the reason why I've never actually introduced a family channel in this channel is because, you know, it's family stuff, and I mainly talk about...
I'm sure, exactly. You talk about political stuff, things about Jamaica, what's happening in the news, boring.
Right.
So, Family Sebas, family channel is, you know, enjoyable. They see another side of you and, you know, see wife for life.
Yeah, but what if I didn't want him to see that side of me?
Well, anyway, people, come on over, Family Sebas.
We do have a family channel that I share, you know, my wife and my son. Mainly my wife. Our son comes
from
in
time
it,
to time.
comes in it. But yeah, let me, since you've ruined my whole situation.
What was you talking about?
That's it. I wasn't even sure what is it I was going to talk about.
Ruined the flow.
But okay. So let's inject one of our trailers from Family Sebas now.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, so that's pretty much a little bit of what we do on the family channel, you know. So for her sake, for the family's sake, you know, this is what you call extortion. I mean, it's
no, not really, because you know what? His channel has 1,600 plus subscribers, and Family Sebas is just
Yeah, but at the same time, I mean, like I'm saying, people on the ENT Sebas channel, maybe, you know, they're interested in those kind of issues.
Yes.
But okay, we throw it out there, you know, and I welcome all my subscribers from ENT Sebas channel to join me over in my normal life. So that's pretty much it for now. Until next time, you're gonna join me in this one.
Peace.
Peace.